All right. Good late morning, everyone. Michael Venezia. Updates of where we left off on this Wednesday. A lot going on. Still fast and furious as we're looking at earnings from Snap, EMPH, BABA, Planeteer still going up. CMG, one going to be a part of the new Magnificent Seven. It looks like being facetious, but not really. Elf gave it to you at the turnaround. 183. Bid VFC, Roblox, Uber. A lot going on. Okay, let's go to TGH for a second. Please follow through in the room because I don't want to be redundant for those loyal members, and there are a lot of them. Made a lot of good trades. I posted some decent ones. Some things are hurting, some are not. VIX is still low, which means, don't be expecting any reversals. Here we go right here. Here's the chart. It's like, again, SMCI's world, we're just living in it. Add NVIDIA, add Microsoft. Same thing. Those type of moves. BABA still on the low, can't bounce for those that held it overnight. You should have known about it. There's the daily on. Oh, I was gonna say it's not that bad. There's the daily on BABA. Almost a V-shaped fuel. I'm not in it. I'm not in any of them. I'm watching Roblox gave it all back. I actually shorted it quite well. Right when it broke again, it never broke the previous high. I actually shorted a bunch of times here. Was up in it, took it off 45.50. Now it's 43.30. Typical. What else is moving? That we're in ELF through the 173 bid. Was that? Did it hit that? No, actually, last night had a huge bid, like 30,000 shares at 170. I thought that was a seller in that 173. Looked to be a seller. You look right there, 173. Next print, 16. Good range volume. What else is moving? Coin going lower. Solar still going. Crude. They're rotating properly, if you will. Wayfair is breaking down too. Another one breaking down. The one that had so many short squeezes. Now it's all out of it. What else? CMG. I'm not in it near the high. Biggest moves come at the end. Snap, relative weakness. All you wanted all morning broke below the 200 day and it drifted. It doesn't look like much, but stock opened at 12:30. Now it's 11:40 on a gazillion shares. So could have held that one. What else did we trade? Actually, I'm long a little VFC dumpster dive. You know what I mean? I bought it well right here, 14.49, and it went right to 14.85. And I thought maybe it would hold, it would break above the open 14.86. Now it's 14.71. It's not a barn burner. I really don't want much of it. I'll get out of it. Uh, CRWD, solar, cybersecurities are going. Airbnb, Snow still breaking out. Roblox, Planeteer, Animal, Chewy going down. Listen, stock specific, Lilly. Told you, best of breeds. Rest of them are down. This one's up. They were buying Apple puts. I noted this morning. UNG, did that bounce? Ugh. Natural gas margin calls are still hitting it, and it still will for a couple of days at least. Let's still wait what's going on. Not doing much now. I actually want to catch up on what's really just trading price action and movement. I'm going to try to read and absorb what's going on a little bit, but I'll look right here. Nowhere yet to buy capitulation. Harvey again. Netflix bullish. Western Dig. They're buying the Dow. What's moving right now? Oh, another one I gave it. I pointed out Holo in the room 9 times. $3. Holo. Pointed it out right here from 3 to 8. Not in it. Maybe. You know what? I actually still think it has a little bit of room. Holo. Keep your eye on it this afternoon. Not in it. Didn't have time to change to trade it, but here's one. It based right until about 10:30 when trends usually, if the trends don't change by like 10:15, 10:30, they usually continue going. So there you go, 5 to 8. I'm not in it. It does have how many shares traded? Holo has 97 million shares traded, and that's what? That's more than Apple, Oracle, SE, Roku, more than them all combined. So Holo, an active stock. What else are they moving up? SMCI. They bouncing anything here? Planeteer, still an animal. Snap, VFC. Look at that. That's what happens when you bottom fish. I didn't chase it, but I had a good price. Volume just came in. It went 14.50, 14.80. Now, what do I have here? Settings. I'm going to offer it out right now. I don't like it. Didn't go. Now I have 12,000 from 14.67. Okay. I don't want it. I'm going to offer it out 14.70. Thought it might go to 15. Uber calls going off. Still, why not? Tried to shake it out of Uber. There's the algos getting it out. Uber got everybody out 70. Everybody was out of the pool on stops, and everybody stops after earnings. Everybody got skittish. 67 Uber breaking highs again after earnings. There's the weekly. I apologize. There's the daily. Self-explanatory. What else? Merck. There's the daily on Merck. On the antithesis, there's the chart on Coin, Western Digital, volume call out. They probably bought it right back up. Okay, what else is going on? Jesus Christ. The Qs are up 5% year to date, and the SPYs are up 5% year to date. Why not? All right, so listen, things are moving. I'm not really sure who's reporting later. Alexis Surfs Up will have that. I'm trading stocks that were hot yesterday and continuing today. Let's still see where the China stocks sit. Obviously, watching SMCI near the 700, near Nvidia near the 700. So it's race between Nvidia and SMCI as Holo was breaking high. Mike V evaluated. How come I said it had more room to go? They must have been buying when I said it. I said it at 748, a dollar uptick. At least I have pull these days. SYM was up $3, gave it all back. Okay. SYM yesterday brought it up this morning. Okay. It was up $3 this morning. Now it's negative. SYM. I'm short IoT with goes with it. Of course, that's at the high of the day. Typical. Netflix taking calls. CVS, I actually had earnings. I actually shorted that well. CVS at the high. I literally shorted CVS at the high. 77.40. I covered at 75.80, whatever. If I didn't have a lot of other stock, Planet here. Oh, if I didn't have a lot of other stocks going on, I probably would have collared it a little bit more. Tesla, Shopify. Oy, they're going up now. D-Dog. They're taking up the best of the best. Shopify, another chart. Acting very well. Hold on. Shop. Coiled and coiled and coiled and didn't do it, and actually thought the Nasdaq wasn't going for a while, and then boom, it happens like that. Netflix taking a ton of calls. How you doing? Why not? Flagging. All right, I'll leave it there. If there's no other questions, I'll go back to TradeGATEHub. I got to start readjusting. It doesn't look like it's a fading day at this time. So this Surfs Up. Thank you for pointing after the close on Wednesday. Hold on a second. Share. There we go on the screen. You share. Earnings list. Thanks, Surfs Up. Was listening to the broadcast as we speak. PayPal, Disney, ARM, a lot of stocks, a lot of major stocks. So we'll be prudent. We'll have a plan. Ice cream is amazing. Elon Musk. Just touting like this 5 seconds ago. Ice cream is amazing. I agree. He's eating ice cream. I'm getting squeezed in IoT. But it's that type of world. What are you going to do? Alta. Going with Elf. Sava. All right, I'll leave it at that. Okay, I'm going to be posting in the room. Option activity, price action, range, and volume. That's what we have in TGH. Trend, of course. And we're posting fast and furious. Don't let your trades turn into positions. Have a plan, trade well. Mike V, TGH. Get yourself a demo if you're having trouble. Very simple.